realistic denim. So let's do that. So this is another denim that we have, and we have to create something which is absolutely looking new. So what we're going to do is, see, this denim is very texturous. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go to here. So this is where I got that jeans form. Then I go to a denim fabric. So let's say I take this denim fabric, I just say copy, and with your magic wand just choose all the front part, just choose all the part, and then go to edit, paste in, paste special, paste into, and you have got your denim here. The only problem with this denim is the weave is too big according to the proportion of the denim. So what we need to do is, we need to reduce the size of the width. Then again do Control J, Control J, Control J, Control J. So I'm creating new layers so that I can fill in the whole front. Say edit, transform, just to why I'm doing this transformation is, so if you see here, you can see that every time I create a new layer, it is forming kind of line here, which is not likable. So what we do is, we try to go to edit, go to transform, flip vertical, and now if you see, you cannot see any. See, again we are seeing a straight line. Go to stroke, go to transform, say control vertical, and now you don't have that. Now edit, transform. Yeah, so this is how you have created one side. Do the same thing to the other side. Flip vertical. So now if you look at the layer part, you have so many paste into layers. So just click the layer 6, press shift and click layer 6, copy 5. All these layers have got selected. Just do Control E. Now if you look at this, so this is one layer where you have placed your denim. So it already looks quite natural, quite authentic. Now what we need to do is create the ripping part. So it's very easy. Just go to this image, select one ripping part, Control C, Control C, come back here, Control V, Control G. But before doing the ripping part, let's first give it some sort of wash. Now see the magic of the dodge tool. See how brilliantly it creates an enzyme wash on this denim. It looks like in reality you are doing Now go back to your burn tool and just see where all, so all the folds would be darker just to create that whole 3D effect of denim. So create this. You can also do this with black color or a darker color. The best part with the dodge tool is and burn tool is it does not affect the area where there is no fabric. So we are also looking at this side to understand how to create 3D-ness into this jeans. Now the whole point is to create rips. Just go here, copy, bring it here, and accordingly just slightly plus. Take off all the ripping parts and you can place it here. This is the difference between painting a denim and creating a realistic kind of denim. So we are also seeing there are a lot of denim whiskers on the jeans. So let's create denim whiskers on our own illustration. Simple, just go to the brush tool. Go to the brush tool and choose the lighter color because this is all faded. So this you have chosen a lighter color. Go to dissolve, come to this layer, create a new layer because I don't want to kill. If there anything goes wrong, I don't want to risk it. So just go here. This is your brush. Take a kind of lighter white. Now the point is also to create a darker space because every highlight has got a equally darker. So now we are going to create that with normal. So let's just create the waist belt so that it is not looking awkward. So what I did was I went to this layer and I say Control A and C so that I can just use the same denim that I have put, the same image. So now I'm choosing, and there goes your waist belt. Now just go to Control Alt V and just darken it so that it looks more 3D. So this is how you have made a denim which was originally just a flat sketch. As you practice more denims, you're going to understand how to create new effects.